In this episode of The Great Indian Factory, we take you to National Engineering Industries Limited in Jaipur, manufacturers of India's leading bearings brand, NBC Bearings. A brand from one of India's leading bearings manufacturers and exporters since 1946. Part of the prestigious C.K. Birla Group, renowned for its excellence in unmatched product quality over decades. NBC Bearings, a dependable name defining flexible engineering solutions.
NBC, as it was called earlier, was founded by my grandfather in 1946. And we've had a very interesting journey. We have grown substantially over the years since it started. You see, my grandfather's vision at that time was that for India, this was before independence and after independence also, that for India to prosper, you need manufacturing because you need employment. So with that in mind, he started various industries. We have been able to create employment. The country has created employment.
Completing 75 prolific years of expansion, innovation and development, NBC continues to forge ahead with a product portfolio of ball bearings, taper roller bearings, cylindrical roller bearings, spherical roller bearings, needle roller bearings and railway bearings amongst other special and next generation products.
We started in 1946 with producing 19 sizes and I think about 30,000 pieces, and now we produce 2,300 sizes approximately, and I think it's 200 million pieces a year that we produce. So you can see how the journey has been over the years.
For a manufacturing giant, the company had humble origins. Founded by B.M. Birla in 1946, it was an initiative towards making India self-reliant in the industrial manufacturing sector. From producing 30,000 bearings in 19 sizes back then, today, NBC manufactures over 200 million bearings offered in more than 2,300 variants annually. It is an industry leader with manufacturing plants in Manesar, Jaipur, Newai and Vadodara. It has a global manufacturing footprint and supplies products to customers in over 30 countries across 5 continents, including Germany, Sweden, Japan, Mexico, USA, UAE and Brazil. NBC is a leading supplier for automotive original equipment manufacturers with a wide and dynamic range of products and services.
So we essentially cater to all industries, but automobile is our biggest segment. Besides that, we supply a very large number of bearings to railways.
The company has partnered with railways across the world to supply bearings for locomotives, wagons and coaches. It also caters to diverse industries from power, steel, cement to electric motors, switchgears and many more. With its headquarters in Jaipur, Rajasthan, NBC employs more than 2,800 qualified and experienced employees across various functions who bring these high-quality advanced bearings to life. The NBC plant is not only at the forefront of technology, but also of sustainable environment. The rooftop solar panels generate over 4 megawatts of clean power for the factory. The plant also has green areas and other facilities for environment conservation. This next generation factory is the hub of production for world-class bearings. The plant has a total area of 117 acres and the factory floor is spread across 62 acres. NBC has a total manufacturing capacity of around 550,000 bearings per day, which translates to over 200 million bearings annually. NBC's state-of-the-art research and development center is the backbone of the company's success. The R&D function is central to developing the next generation of bearings, for a new, more demanding industry with global standards. It is here that some of the greatest engineers and designers come together to design world-class bearings suited to different customer needs.
Bearing industry, it was considered to be purely a mechanical industry. But with the new technology which is coming is mechatronics, we have now combined electronics plus mechanical aspect to develop the smart bearing solutions.
The R&D center is equipped with the latest simulation equipment and software, measurement system, tribology lab, calibration and testing equipment. The center employs some of the sharpest and most diverse engineering minds in the industry, a fact that enables NBC to make bearings of unprecedented size and complexity. The manufacturing begins with the incoming of raw material, special alloy steel, which is sourced from globally renowned sources. The raw material is then moved to the heat treatment furnace. NBC boasts of a most advanced heat treatment facility with multiple continuous heat treatment lines. Most of the operations are automated with minimal human intervention. A perfect specimen of world-class technological innovation and efficiency. At NBC, the assembly is fully automated with minimal human intervention. NBC has the distinction of being one of the few companies in the world to manufacture bearings with an outer diameter of up to 2000 mm. To ensure smooth and safe movements of the machine parts they are created for, bearings need to be checked for quality with a degree of precision that leaves no scope for error. The organization believes in gender equality and is gender inclusive at every step of the way. The women of NBC are enabled towards success, where they solely operate a dedicated production line at the unit. The company has been honored with the recognition of being in the top 30 in India's best workplaces in manufacturing by Great Place to Work Institute.
We received the Deming Award and then the Grand Deming Prize, and I was fortunate that I represented the company to receive that. It is the top quality award in the world, and this proved the fact that a company from India can also achieve the quality levels that is expected around the world.
NBC's unparalleled and stringent quality management made them the only Indian company in the manufacturing sector to be awarded the coveted Deming Award and the Deming Grand Prize.
Last year, we acquired Kinex bearings in Slovakia, which not only open avenues as far as new markets is concerned, but they are very strong in railway bearing segment in Europe, textile bearing in all over the world. They are probably one of the best textile bearing manufacturers in the world.
If I look at the future, I would say that by 2025, we want to double the turnover from what we are today. And that will happen by organic growth and also by inorganic growth. We want to expand our footprint in various other countries in the world. And I'm hopeful with the way we are going, we should be able to achieve our ambition.
It continues to stay true to its mantra, flexible solutions every step of the way.